Hi guys, my name is Emrith and Happy New Year to all of you. Now for my first video in 2020, we are going to do the easiest, cheapest way to paint a Gunpla. Not all of us have airbrush as it tends to get quite expensive, and hand painting however need quite a skill that not all of us possess. So in this video we're going to paint a Gunpla without using both methods. We'll be using Barbatos Lupus shoulder armor for this video. So the cheapest way is to use spray cans. This samurai spray paint, which is cheap, can provide wonderful result. For undercoat, I use the undercoat silver. Hit only one coat and then let it dry for a while. Next, I use the red color for motorcycle Honda EX5 Dream Red. It is a metallic red, code is H233. Do a few layers of coat and then let it dry. Ensure the coat is evenly across the surface. Finally, layered it with top coat. I use this Samurai 1K clear coat for shiny finish. Alternatively, you can also use flat clear coat for non-shiny finish. Here are the final results.